Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing where the date will live and ensuring the controls are available. First, enable the Developer tab so you can access ActiveX controls. Then select the cell or range and apply a date number format so Excel handles dates correctly. Next, insert the Microsoft Date and Time Picker or alternate date control from Developer Insert. Position it near the target cell. Once done, make sure control properties, like linked cell point to the cell address, so selection writes a proper Excel date. Now configure the control so selections behave predictably. Open the control properties and set linked cell to the target address. Also pick the displayed date format. Add data validation on the cell to allow date with start slash and limits, or use formulas for dynamic ranges. If you need automation, add a small VBA routine. Use the controls change event to validate, normalize, or convert input and handle empty values. This ensures dates stay within expected bounds and avoids text strings that break formulas. Finish by thoroughly testing. Click the picker, type dates, and paste values to confirm consistent behavior. Protect the sheet to keep layout stable, but leave input cells editable. Adjust control size and tab order so keyboard navigation works. If the Microsoft Date and Time Picker is missing or unreliable, register the control or build a lightweight user form calendar with VBA as an alternative. If things go wrong, check ActiveX registration and macro security. Re-enable macros and re-register DLLs before assuming data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.